Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection on your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. And right here I have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and the second do not. So firstly we need to use first device to enable dual connection, because by default it's disabled, so you need to open XIAOMI earbuds application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. After that you need to scroll down and go to additional settings. And right here we have dual connection. So firstly we need to enable it, so tap at the slider, we just did it. And now open settings on your second device, then go to the Bluetooth. After that, put your earbuds to the charging case, and on the front side, inside of the charging case, we have this connection button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white. So we just enter to pairing mode, and here we go. We will see these earbuds at the device list. Tap on them. If you have Android, also click pair. And now this earbuds connected with the second device, and we need to go to the settings and check is it connected with the first device. If it do not, tap at your device here. And as you can see, we have both devices connected with these earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!